What's up, all the Power Ass crew? I'm going to show you guys a little sample of an upcoming video and give you guys a clue of what's going to be happening. This sounds rough. I've got my little GoPro wannabe strapped to the rear diff here, and I'm going to take a drive down the driveway so maybe you guys can get a little sample of what we were hearing while we were out. Boy, it sounded rough from inside the rig, so I was curious what it's going to sound like on the camera. Let's do it. So does that give you guys a clue of what's coming up? Yep, you're right. Another diff swap. I swapped that diff in a long time ago. Now that was dead. But am I putting another Dana 35 in? Absolutely not. 8.8 swap coming up soon. Hit that subscribe so you don't miss it.